are going to love the 2020 Chevrolet Camaro. Camaro was developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, cruise control, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, climate control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.